Hey guys, today we will be looking at LearnDash App. This allows you to create a mobile app for your LearnDash plus WordPress site. Now we're here in the official website, and as you can see, it's saying launch your own mobile learning app. The official LearnDash app is here. Take your course business to the next level with a fully branded iOS and Android app built specifically for LearnDash. Seamlessly integrated, professionally published, designed to boost engagement, retention, and revenue. Native experience, complete brand control. Also, it says here LearnDash LMS purchased separately. So if you purchase this product, it doesn't automatically include base LearnDash LMS plugin. As you can see, the fee is already given over here. It costs $1,199 a year. So there's no hidden fee and complicated setup. It also includes a full done for you setup, which is optional, but if you pay for it, the LearnDash team will take care of the development and publishing of the app for you. We will discuss this in details later on in the video. It includes real-time course syncing from LearnDash. If students continue their learning on mobile, it will be synced to your LearnDash WordPress site, and it's fully white labeled and branded for your business, so you can customize the entire thing yourself, and it has built-in learning features that boost engagements. Okay, so let's take a look at a few more details. Here it asks, why mobile, why now? So why would you want to create a mobile app for your learning site? So according to LearnDash, 3 to 5 times more enrollments compared to desktop-only courses. So if you create a mobile app, it's expected to generate 3 to 5 times more enrollments. It also says that you will get 7 times higher engagement with push notification, 45% higher course completion rates, 67% of learners rely on mobile to complete online learning tasks, and the mobile learning market is projected to hit $83.8 billion by 2034. So that's a huge leap. So if you want to future-proof your e-learning site, creating an app might be a good idea. So it's available for Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. If we take a look at over here, the built-in features, so the LearnDash app comes packed with performance-boosting capabilities. So let's take a look at some of the features they mentioned here. Seamless LearnDash sync. Courses, quizzes, and learner progress sync automatically. So your WordPress LearnDash website and your mobile LearnDash app will sync automatically. So students can pick up where they left off from the desktop and continue on mobile, and vice versa. It also offers offline learning, so learners can download and complete lessons without internet. And since it syncs automatically, the progress will be saved later on. It has cross-device progress, so you can start on desktop, finish on mobile, or vice versa. Certificates access, learners can view and share certificates directly in the app. Drip content support, your existing LearnDash drip schedules carry over seamlessly. There's the teaser content, you can entice enrollment with previewable locked lessons, so you can add the teaser content here as well. Your brand, your app, so you can publish under your own developer accounts, custom app icons, splash screens, and color palettes, no LearnDash branding. This is your app. So they are mentioning it over and over again that this app will be completely your own. You will be launching the app on your developer accounts, and there will be no LearnDash branding. Okay, so it's completely your app. Manageable appearance with a drag and drop interface inside WordPress. So you get that familiar WordPress drag and drop features inside. Now let's scroll down and let's see what's included. So it's native iOS and Android experience, real-time content updates, built-in push notifications, publishing service, instant content syncing from LearnDash, in-app purchases and membership paywalls, 100% App Store approval track record. So this is very interesting as they're saying 100% App Store approval track record. So as you know, if you publish apps on your Google Play Store or on your Apple App Store, your apps actually need to be approved in order to be available for downloads. So LearnDash is saying that the App Store approval track record is 100%. It's perfect. So let's scroll down and learn a bit more. Done for you setup. So the optional thing that was mentioned on the top over here, so they're describing it over here. Let our team handle everything, custom branding and development, full app store submission, dedicated publishing expert, pre-review and compliance checks, handling of rejections, resubmissions and updates, launch in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. So that is a huge help. So if you go for done for you setup, the LearnDash team will help you all the way. They are going to take care of the custom branding and development. They will have dedicated publishing experts. So you will get full support from the LearnDash team. All right. So now if we scroll down and take a look at the pricing, here there are 4 items. The LearnDash app basically costs $1,194 a year. So this is an annual subscription fee. And LearnDash LMS is not included. They mentioned it here specifically. So if you want to get the LearnDash plugin, this particular product will not include LearnDash plugin. You have to purchase LearnDash separately. Now, the Apple developer accounts, it will cost $99 a year. This is required to publish your app on your Apple App Store. Now, if you want to launch your app on the Google Play Store, it will require a one-time payment of $25. And if you opt for the Done For You setup, this will cost you $1,999, so nearly $2,000. This will include branding, submission, review handling, and of course you will get immense help from the LearnDash team. And now let's take a look at who's it meant for. So educators and coaches scaling to 1,000 plus learners. So if you are just starting out, it might not be for you. You can start with the WordPress website and build your site first. And when you have over 1,000 learners, then you might opt for this plugin. And if you need help in how to create your e-learning store with LearnDash, how to create courses, how to add quizzes, how to create certificates, etc., we have detailed tutorials on all these topics. You can check out our video description for the links to those tutorials. Okay, so let's read on. WordPress-based course creators looking to grow. So if you're a WordPress-based course creator who wants to grow your platform, it can be for you. Membership sites focused on retention and long-term value. Anyone ready to future-proof their learning business. So as they mentioned over here that the mobile learning market is projected to hit $83.8 billion by 2034. So it might be a smart idea to future-proof your e-learning business. Now, if we'll take a look at over here, proven results from real customers. So the Project Life Mastery University, they unified 10 plus courses and 24,000 learners in a single branded app. So that's a huge achievement. Then let's take a look at MIT Project Manus. They deliver learning content to thousands of makers in a 130,000 square feet innovation hub. And the MyBMABA powers mobile learning and licensing for over 30,000 members in the UK martial arts community. So that's an example of what the mobile apps can do. Now, if we scroll down, there's the FAQ section. And finally, if you are ready to launch, you can buy this LearnDash app now by clicking on this button. So that was our quick overview of the LearnDash app. We hope that you learned something new and this video was informative for you. And if you did find this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.